Hey, guys, I have been testing the security camera system for some time, and today I am doing the mega comparison security camera system. I hope this video will be helpful for your decision-making process. Number 5. Ramp name, ZOSA certification, C origin, model number, 8N2615 watts, 4S-0010,8M 2615 B4S-0010 PCS of camera, 4 PCS TV system, anti-CCTV system, PAL resolution, 5 video input, HML resolution, 5 MP Super PU NVR, 8CH5 MPH.265 plus NVR CAMERA feature, 5 MP, metal indoor-outdoor, day and night. Ear cutter night vision, up to 120 remote view, iPhone, iPad, Android for recording mode, continuous, time scheduled, motion detection cable length, 2 PCS, 60 feet, 2 PCS, 100 feet. Number 4. Brand name, ZUI origin, model number, ZUI out 2 MP 2468 PCS of camera, 2 PCS of camera, 4 PCS of camera, 6 PCS of camera, 8 PCS TV system, anti-CCTV system, PAL cable length, 18 resolution, 1080 video input, HML video output, camera shell, plastic waterproof for LEDs, 24 PCS infrared LEDs motion detection, support lens, 3.6 category, surveillance security systems. Number 3. Brand name, IZU certification, C certification, gross origin, model number, 8WK10V-4HB613 PCS of camera, 4 PCS TV system, anti-CCTV system, PAL resolution, 2 video input, HML resolution, 3.0 MP 1536p wireless CCTV system type, 8CH wireless NVR kit with 10.1 monitor, video surveillance system with monitor wireless security camera system. Number 2. Brand name, IZU certification, C certification, gross origin, model number, 8WK10V-4HB613 PCS of camera, 4 PCS TV system, anti-CCTV system, PAL resolution, 2 video input, HML resolution, 3.0 MP 1536p wireless CCTV system type, 8CH wireless NVR kit with 10.1 monitor, video surveillance system with monitor wireless security camera system. Number 1. Brand name, Techigy certification, C origin, model number, 508 GW30 PCS of camera, 6 PCS of camera, 8 PCS of camera, 4 PCS TV system, anti-CCTV system, PAL cable length, non-air resolution, 2 video input, HML video output, waterproof camera, IP66 outdoor water-resistant camera lens, 3.6mm default viewing angle, 75 working temperature, -25 degrees C50 alarm system, motion detection plus email alert plus a. Thank you watching this video.